What can I do for you?
Okay. Okay. So this is a seller or a realtor that reached out to me because she wanted to know if I would go up to, like I showed you, 640K, but it's sub two. And then at the same time still like learning everything, even with like a seller finance. So then I'm like, I saw the sub two. I'm like, oh, okay.
So this
Well,
is a sub two deal.
yeah, this is a sub two deal.
Okay,
It has a
perfect.
mortgage, and she
What's
said
the
that
mortgage balance?
let me see. She said they just wanted to get rid of it. Hold on. Um, Mortgage balance four, eight, no, 533,
500,
532,000.
533,000. Okay, good. And what is the monthly mortgage payment?
Monthly mortgage payment. Yeah, I don't see that. It says to be calculated based on provided details.
Okay, so you're gonna have to ask the real estate agent what that is.
Okay, is that monthly P and I?
We need it all. We need principal, interest, taxes, and insurance.
Okay, she did say reach out if I need something else. Okay.
Is she pretty quick to respond, or do you want to reschedule this for when she does?
I'll reschedule for when she does because I don't know if she'll respond right
Okay.
away.
So then let's talk about your questions about a subject too. That way you don't have to wait on me just in case I'm busy.
Okay.
What is your question exactly? Something about it being a
Um,
subject to scared you. What was it?
yeah, just like the whole process of having to learn that you're taking over their mortgage, basically. I think I was just trying to plug in my brain just a seller finance, just a seller finance, and then anything else. I was just like, didn't really get into learning that yet.
Okay.
But
So a subject to is very simple. So
mhm,
we'll put it in terms of a car and we'll do it me and you. So
okay.
let's say you own a car and for whatever reason you don't want the car anymore, but you can't sell it the way that you want to sell it. So I say, "Hey, I'll give you 5 grand and then I'll just take over your monthly payments." That's a subject to.
Oh,
That's it. That's all it is. So we're not taking over the mortgage. Now you got to make sure you use your terminology properly.
okay.
Our buyer, our investor is not assuming the mortgage. So same situation. So let's say it's me and you, right? I want to buy the
Mhm.
car from you. So at the beginning, the car is in your name. Once we're done, the car is still in your name. I'm just making the payment for you. You're giving me all the information. I'm attaching my bank account to it. And every single month when your car payment is due, it's automatically coming out of my bank account. That's what a subject to is.
Okay. Okay.
Does that make more sense?
A little bit. And I know you have a video on this too.
So which part is still confusing you?
But
I mean,
like,
since I'm here
let
as well.
me see. I guess, and then she's also saying about an interest rate. I know we don't do interest rates.
Well, I mean, we can. It just depends on the deal. But here's my question. Who
Hmm.
brought up a subject to? You or the real estate agent?
Yeah. Well, let me read it again.
Yeah.
Not me. Let me see.
So, okay, that's good. So the real estate agent,
Oh,
that means they know what's going on. So that's good.
yeah.
Okay. Okay. Good. Good. Good.
She said, I
So,
have a client, yeah, that would consider a sub two or seller finance. And then she just sent me that whole thing, which is a sub two. So
so the only thing you need to know is what is the monthly mortgage payment, the
let me
PITI,
write it down. Okay. Monthly mortgage payment. Hmm.
and then you need to know what the interest rate is of the current mortgage.
Okay.
And then the rest of it, what we'll do, or you can do, is plug it in a Deal Sniper if you haven't, because I just need to know what Deal Sniper says the rent for this property is.
Okay.
And then we can underwrite the deal. And essentially, you can actually underwrite the deal yourself. Not that I won't help you, but again,
Hmm.
in terms of me being busy, if you get the information in an hour and I'm on another call, I don't want you to have to wait. So essentially,
Okay.
what you do is you put in the mortgage balance. Once they give you the PITI, you put it in right there. So in this case, let's say it's $1,000. Well, it's not going to be 1,000, not the 533. Let's say it's 2,600, right? And then let's
Hmm.
say their interest rate is, I don't know, 2%. Now,
Okay.
based off of our SOPs for creative financing, we can only give them a max of 10% of whatever the purchase price is. Well, for a subject to, the purchase price is the same as the mortgage balance. So
Oh,
10% of this would be $53,000. So that would be the down payment. And then you'll put in the Deal Sniper rent, the realtor's commissions, if there are any. And then once you're done filling that part in, you just
Mhm.
click on subject to down here. It'll give you your cash on cash return, and it'll give you your entry fee percentage. The only thing you need to do is you are going to have to put in the PITI twice. So you're going to have to put it in here, and then you're also going to have to put it in here.
Overview area, and then where was that again?
On the inputs page.
Oh, so on the seller finance and inputs page.
Yes. No. I'm sorry. You're on the subject
Oh,
to.
sub two. Sorry.
Yes. Okay.
Sub two and
Yeah.
inputs.
So the inputs page, and then whatever input you ever use. Have you used the calculator already?
Mm-hmm.
Okay,
Yeah.
perfect. So yeah, whatever column you use, you just click on the corresponding tab below. So for this one, yeah, once it's filled out, and in all honesty, the entire thing should be filled out with the exception of these two. These two are optional. If there's no realtor commission, you can leave it blank. And if you don't run the short-term rental numbers, you can leave that blank. Once all of these are filled out, it will give you accurate numbers here. You just have to make sure to put the PITI again here.
Okay.
And that's it. And you can also, if I am busy or depending on what you get when you get an answer, what I would recommend, put the numbers into the calculator, just like this, and
Yep.
then send me a screenshot of this page and send me a screenshot of this page. And I can tell you right then in a second if it's a good deal or not.
Okay. Screenshot of those two pages.
And then whenever you are available, if you do need to hop on a one-on-one, just let me know and I'll get you in as soon as I can.
Perfect. Oh, I wish I recorded this call.
That's
Thank
okay.
you.
I did.
Sounds
I can
good.
send you the
Oh,
recording.
thank you. Okay,
You're
perfect.
very welcome.
Thank you so much. I'm gonna ask her
Yep.
now.
Full disclosure, it takes like an hour, 2 hours.
Oh, that's okay.
So give
That's
it a little
fine.
bit. Okay,
No problem.
perfect.
Thanks.
No worries. Let me know if you need anything else. Have a good night.
You too.
See ya.